So guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we'll be discussing about Emphasis Recruitment Drive 2021, which is applicable for freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So before discussing further, I would suggest all of you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding the latest off-campus and the interview preparation videos or the guides. So this is the career portal of Emphasis. So they are hiring for the customer support officer CSO, and it's a voice process. And they're hiring for the Bangalore location only, and experience is required starting from 0 to 3 years. That means fresh graduates can also apply for this job profile. So now let's discuss about the job responsibilities or the job profile or the job role. So you have to respond to the inbound calls professionally and furnish the customer with the information or product and services or obtain the details of the complaint or the concern. Identify and access the customers need to achieve the maximum satisfaction. That means you have to build the customer relationship by solving their issues, etc. So now let's discuss about the skills required or qualification required for this job profile. So conversation skills it is required because it's a inbound process or the customer support process. Active listener or active listening, customer service, coachable, adaptability, dependable, then reliable and flexible. These are the key responsibilities required here. And qualification, any undergraduate or any graduate candidates who have completed a minimum of 12th standard in any discipline can apply for this off campus or for this job profile. And also let me tell you one thing, B or BTech candidates are not allow or you can say eligible for this off campus. Other undergraduate or the graduate candidates can apply for this off campus like BSc, BCA, BCom, etc. can apply, but BTech candidates are not eligible for this off campus unfortunately. Then experience required as you discussed earlier 0 to 3 years. So now let's discuss about the shifts and the week off. So 24/7 process rotational shift, it will be 5 days job working with no fixed week off. That means sometimes your week off will be on Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, Tuesday, etc. Anything, but it is fixed that you'll be getting 2 week offs. 2 days week off rotational offerings, 9 hours of login with 1 hour break or the lunch break, etc. So if you are interested for this job profile, you need to simply click on the apply button here. After that, you will be able to apply for this off campus. So if you want to apply for this off campus, simply click on the apply button here. After that, you will be able to apply for this off campus. You have to accept the privacy policy. You can go through this privacy policy, read by yourself. Then you have to click on the I agree button, otherwise you'll not be able to apply for this off campus. After selecting or clicking the I agree, then you have to select a title. It is not mandatory. If you want to choose or if you want to put the title, you can put. Then you have to type your first name, last name, email address you need to type, then contact number you have to type. Then after that you have to provide your date of birth. Then after selecting all these things, you need to simply click on the continue button. Then it will be asking for to upload your updated resume. Then you have to attach your updated resume and experience. If you have any experience, you need to provide the details, then submit the application. Hardly it will be taking 5 minutes to apply for this off campus. So I hope you'll be able to apply for this off campus by yourself. So I am skipping that other parts like uploading the resume, etc. It's a very easy process. If you are facing any difficulties or if you have any doubts regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts. And also let me tell you one thing, does not matter whether you belong to any mechanical, civil, electrical, etc. It does not matter. If you have the certain experience of you or you have the qualification background, you can apply for this job profile, but the BTech candidates are not eligible. Remember this thing. So I hope you got a clear cut idea about this. So if you have any doubts, then please let us know. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.